Alright, here's an early 80s Toastmaster 14-inch box fan, model 4402. I believe I found this fan at a Goodwill or something. I don't know, I've had it for a whole bunch of years. It's in really good shape overall. There's no rust in the frame or anything. I'll show you once it gets turned around. It's 3-speed, wood grain finish. Not made for a stand. This fan does have a full-size 2.6 amp motor in it. This is probably one of the #1 window fans I use in the house for sure. I use this thing a ton all summer, every year, and have since I got it. Let's fire it up. Here's low. It's actually very quiet. Medium. And high. I have pretty much an identical twin to this. It's a little Edison. It's got a slightly different front grille, and it's got the dark gray kind of translucent blade. Maybe I'll have to do a video on that one day. Yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.